it's opening windows of creative possibilities for me as well. Okay, well, I could take my network and I could interview producers. I could interview people in different walks of life.
Yeah, artists, writers.
Right.
Yeah.
You have any questions for me, or?
How long have you been sharing your philosophies with?
Good ask question. Keep it rolling. That's one style, and then you have like. That's where you play it like an instrument. Light tends to make an object pop, and darkness tends to ground the object. And you see that commonality in music, like primarily in the 1-4-5 blues progression. You see that?